Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. And if you're a Java web developer, you'll be interested in today's story. Let's get into it. Here is a story from the Register reporting about a new CVE for Apache Struts that is currently being exploited. Let's review what Apache Struts is and then get into the details of this exploit and what you can do to eliminate it. So for some context, Apache Struts is a very mature web development framework using the Java language. The article states, and I think it's fair to say, that the frameworks like Struts are mostly used by enterprises and government agencies. But basically, it's an application programming framework to allow developers to create rich websites. It's definitely not new, and unfortunately, it has a bit of a track record of security-related issues. Most notably, an unupdated Struts instance was the entry point for the 2017 Equifax breach where 140 million Americans were impacted. But what is important to know is that Apache Struts is often internet facing and therefore really needs to be secure. Otherwise, it's going to be an attractive entry point for attackers. So let's get into this particular vulnerability. It looks like only a specific component of the Struts framework is vulnerable, and that is the file upload interceptor. This particular component appears to have been deprecated, but I'm sure it's still floating around out there. The functionality is rather simplistic. It merely adds some data points to files that are uploaded to the server. But unfortunately, attackers can exploit the bug by manipulating file upload parameters, which can allow for path traversal, which could lead to remote code execution. Not good at all. So what can you do if you're an administrator of a Struts-based system? Well, you should check to see which version of Struts you're using. This vulnerable component has been removed starting with version 7.0, so if you're on a version less than 7, you should look to see if you're using this component. That may require a developer to assist. I'm not sure how easy it is to get a list of used components from one of these instances. It seems that if you can upgrade your version to at least 6.4.0, you can be sure to avoid the issue. Again, I think that may be easier said than done and might require developer expertise on this. So unfortunately, not a real simple fix here. I'm guessing there might be some IT folks out there with a big headache on their hands. If you happen to be one of those unfortunate few, leave a comment down below and let us know how you're tackling this problem. But that's it for this story. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.